Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XB33 Wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now you're going to want to do this initialization for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker is not connecting to Bluetooth, or if it's not syncing or pairing with your device or your phone, or any kind of sound issues where it's not working right, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set it up again because everything will be wiped off of it, all the pairing history and settings and everything like that. But that's the second reason you might want to do this, is if you just want to get a fresh start, like it's coming out of the box with its out of the box factory defaults, we can do that really easily. Now the speaker needs to be on for it to work. And then with the speaker on, we're just going to come in and press the volume down button. And then once we press the volume down, then over and press the Bluetooth button and hold those down simultaneously for at least 5 seconds. And when the initialization or the reset is complete, the speaker will power off and you can go ahead and let go of the buttons. Then you can just come in and turn the speaker on and set it up like a brand new speaker.